Today we're going to be going inside of PetSmart and see if we can find some things for Stanley. See what's available for him. Hello. And let's see what they have available for him. We can get to the bird section. And then we'll see if they have any birds. Looks like we're over by the rabbit section. That's wild birds, so really don't want to do. It's more like turtle things on this side. I'm not showing anything for birds over here. So let's go to the next aisle. Let's see, they have some guinea pigs. Actually, do have some birds. There's a fancy conure, $899. Looks like he's trying to get on the perch, but can't make it up there. And in here with him, we have a cockatiel, $329. We also have some finches. Those are $49.99. I really like conures. Struggling trying to get on the perch. Cockatiel's just down here. I'm not sure what he's eating. There's the conure again. Hey. Moving around. So conure is considered intermediate. Cockatiel is also considered intermediate. Conure's information again. Fancy conure. We do have some parakeets.
Oh, you're not as far as that.
A little tiny one. Someone's dog is barking. We have a blue parakeet, $39.99. Beginner. And rare parakeet, $39.99. Also beginner. These are all little. Usually when I come in here, they have bigger ones. These are little, which is good. Nice to get them when they're small. Okay, so now I do see here's the toys for the birds. quite a bit. I'm just looking to see if I can find anything for Stanley that I think he would like. Pricing isn't bad. I really like this. I think it would take over the cage. $17.99. It's something to keep him busy, but I don't want it to be something that's just too big for the cage. I don't know. Maybe something like this. Now I'm just thinking about where would I even put it in the cage, but I really want to get him another toy. So they have some cages. Oh, this is the one that we have. That one is $3.19. I don't have the price on that one. Smaller ones. Smaller ones. Oh, this one is very tiny. Some more things. Fuzzy huts. Bird habitat covers. I thought about getting Stanley this. I like it. There's so many things. I had bought the habitat liners, but we ended up bringing them back. Yeah, they have quite a bit of things. I do like the backpack. I don't know where I would be taking Stanley, but I like the idea of having the backpack. You have quite a bit of things. I just can't figure out which toy I want for him. And then they have all of the food. Let's see what they have over here. Sensible seed. Smart. We had the fruit blend flavor for him when we first got him, but he wouldn't eat that. He didn't like it. They have so many different types of food. And his is like a blend where he has the pellets and the seeds. making sure he's just not eating seeds. They have some treats. Lots of treats. Stanley already has treats, so I don't need that. This is what he has. Millet. Somebody and their dog. Okay. Still don't know what I'm gonna get him. Another dog. I really don't see anything that that's really catching my eye to get him. Let me know if y'all have any ideas on what I should get. I'll probably have to come back because I'm just undecided. I do need to get him a bird bath. That one seems too small. This one is for cockatiels, conures, and lovebirds. This seems small also. Okay, let me know if y'all have any suggestions on what type of other toys I can get him, or any other types of treats, even suggestion of a different bird bath. I just want something that's big enough, and this just seems small. Okay. Right now he's been jumping into his water bowl. He has 2 water bowls. And once he gets in it and bathes, I just empty it out and get him clean water. But I want to get him an actual bird bath that's just for bathing. I don't know if he'll know that that's for bathing, but we will see. Okay. I'm gonna look one more time at the birds. Oh, the yellow parakeet. I like that. Back to the sun conure. I definitely would never want a finch. I just have no interest in those at all. There's the cockatiel. And definitely the sun conure. Sun conure, fancy conure. Parakeets are just so active. Just small animals. I don't think I would be able to deal with guinea pig. Okay, I think I'm leaving now. I have to make some decisions on what type of toys. I may have to look somewhere else. This is PetSmart. No, Petco has a lot of different things. Look at this fancy conure. I really want him. Him or her. Dancing away. I wonder would he get along with Stanley? Stanley get along with him? Okay. He's dancing away. Hey, guy. All right. Talk to y'all soon.